In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the 3-in-1 photo editor in Artistly AI. First, open Artistly AI and upload the photo you want to edit. The 3-in-1 photo editor combines multiple editing tools in one place, making it easier to improve your images without switching between different apps. Next, start with the Upscale tool to improve sharpness and overall image quality. This helps make your photos look cleaner and more professional. After that, use the background editing feature to remove, replace, or customize backgrounds for portraits, product photos, or marketing content. You can also explore the AI creative tools to apply artistic styles, effects, filters, and image transformations. For example, you can turn a normal photo into cinematic artwork, digital art, or a stylized social media graphic. Once your edits are complete, preview the final version and make any small adjustments needed for the best results. Finally, download your edited image in high quality and use it for social media, business projects, websites, or personal content. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.